Hello students, in our last lecture we are start a paper number third, that is practical paper. Okay, in paper number third the content includes we are discussed, that is ITR-1, ITR-2 and ITR-3. Okay, so we discuss the ITR-1. Okay, ITR-1 is applicable to, okay, so ITR-1 is applicable to a individual having income from salary, income from one house property, then income from other source having income up to 50 lakhs. Okay, so this assessee will file their income tax return ITR-1. ITR-1 is also called Sahaj ITR. Okay, Sahaj ITR, got it. And we also discussed the contents included in filing income tax return 1. Okay, that is how to fill the ITR-1. Okay, in our previous lecture we are discuss how to fill income tax return 1 manually or online. Okay, in our today's lecture we are going to solve a practical problem on filing income tax return. Okay, so here problem number first is given, that is a name of assessee, name of assessee. Okay, so name of assessee is given, that is Mr. Nitin Madhukar Tipale, address at post Kari, the Tel and Dist, Satara, pin code 4151013. Then email address nitintipale78@rediffmail.com. Then PAN card number NEEPT 3329R. Okay, so PAN card number is given. Then Aadhar card number is given. Okay, that is 101211123212. Okay, is the Aadhar card number of Mr. Nitin Tipale. Okay, then date of birth is given, that is 8 February 8 February 1978. Okay, mobile number 9892927175. Then nature of employment is given, that is private sector employee. So Mr. Nitin Madhukar Tipale has worked in private sector. Okay, so nature of employment is private sector employee. Then details of salary, so it is very important. Okay, now we read the general information of assessee. Next part, that is B part in ITR first, that is details of salary. Okay, so details of salary is very important. Okay, so details of salary, in salary basic pay is given here. Basic pay of Mr. Nitin is rupees 10,000 per month. It means employer gives a 10,000 per month basic pay to the employee. Here employee is Mr. Nitin. Okay, so here 10,000 per month. We file a income tax at the end of year, so we convert this basic pay into year. Okay, so here basic pay is given. Okay, basic pay, then basic pay, then bonus is also included in a salary. So here then DA 2000 per month. DA means dearness allowance, 2000 per month. Then transport allowance 1800 per month. So all are included in the salary. Salary includes basic pay, bonus, DA, commission, and all taxable allowances. So here transport allowance is fully taxable for normal SSC. Normal SSC means those SSC which are not orthopedic. Okay, which are not orthopedic. Okay, so Nitin Madhukar Tipale is a normal person, so transport allowance is rupees 1800 per month, is all are taxable. Then medical allowance, so medical allowance rupees 16,000 per month, taxable. Okay, medical allowance all are taxable. Then city compensatory allowance, that is called CCA, city compensatory allowance, rupees 1500 per month. Then washing allowance 500 per month. Okay, then professional tax, so professional tax is the deduction, or the professional tax is deducted from the gross salary. Okay, gross salary of the SSC under section 16 subsection 3. Got it? So here professional tax is deducted from a gross salary. Then next, here we get a information about the salary of Nitin Tipale. Now here next details is given, details of house property into bracket let out. Okay, it means Nitin Tipale has one house property and they give this property on let out to other person and charge a some amount, that is called rent. Okay, so income from house property is given here. Income from house property, one house property. Okay, so here first information is given in house property, that is gross annual value, that is called rent received, rupees 1000 per month. Okay, rent received, that is 1000 per month. Okay, 1000 per month. Then municipal tax paid by the SSC, municipal tax is paid by the SSC, amounted to rupees 5000. Okay, so municipal tax, we already studied how to compute income from house property in our unit number 4th, taxation of companies, in paper first. Okay, in paper first unit 4th we studied a computation of income from house property under taxation of company. Got it? So similar formula is used here. Then municipal tax rupees 5000. Then insurance of house property 2000 and repairs of property 10,000. So it is expenses incurred on house property. It cannot be deducted from the income of the house property because the income tax has give a 30% deduction in respect of repairs and maintenance of house property. So it is given for your confusion. Okay, it should not be taken into consideration because the income tax act has give, or the income tax has give a 30% standard deduction on annual value, uh, for or in respect of maintenance and repairs of house property. Got it? So these two are not taken into consideration. Okay, then other income is given rupees 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Then here life insurance policy rupees 50,000. So LIC policy for the SSC. Okay, the SSC has take a life insurance policy for his own life. Okay, so it is a contribution of that SSC. So it is deducted from the gross total income under section 80C. So first of all we have to find out a gross total income, then we get a deduction under section 80C to 80U. Okay, got it? Yes sir. Then the SSC has give a donation to temple rupees 5,000. Give a donation to temple rupees 5,000. So donation is also available for deduction under section 80G. Okay. Then tax paid by SSC during the year. So tax paid by the SSC during the year is not given. So here, wait a minute. Tax paid by the SSC is given, but it is not here. Tax paid by the SSC amounted to rupees 60,000. We are forgot to write the amount in front of tax paid. So tax paid by the SSC during the year 60,000. Then bank details is given. Okay, bank details is given. Bank details of SSC, that is Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. IFSC code MAHA00 4 times 031. Okay, then account number 60034539859. Okay, file income tax return, that is ITR-1 for AY 2020-21. So here all the information is given. Now we fill the income tax return 1. Okay, so start from part A, that is general information. So general information is given, that is PAN card number is given. Okay, so here PAN card number, that is NEEPT 3329R. So write down this PAN number in the respective column. So here first point is PAN number. So here NEE NEE here N E N E N E E N E E N E E, then N double E P T 33 N double E P T P, then T T, then 3, then 3, then again 3, again 3, 2 9R 2 9 2 9 29 R. Okay, 29 R. 29 R. Okay, so we put the PAN number in ITR-1. Okay, so PAN card number is given in the problem, that is NEEPT 3329R. Okay, then name of SSC. So name of SSC is given. Okay, name of SSC. Okay, name of SSC, that is Nitin M Nitin Madhukar Tipale. Okay, Nitin Madhukar Tipale. Nitin Madhukar Tipale. Then date of birth. So date of birth is given. Date of birth is given, that is 8 February. Here date of birth is given, that is 8 February 1978. Here 08. Here 08 8 02 02 02 02, then 191, then 978, 1978. Okay, so here we put the date of birth in the format. Okay, that is 8 February 1978. Now next column is Aadhar card number. So Aadhar card number is also given. Okay, Aadhar card number is also given. Okay, so here Aadhar card number, that is 10. Here Aadhar card number is given, that is 10 12 111 23212. Here 10 10 12 1012 111 212 232. So here 10 12 111 23 12 1 2 1 2. Okay, so here we put the Aadhar card number in Aadhar card column. Then next is mobile number. Okay, next is mobile number. Got it? So here mobile number is given, that is here mobile number is given 989271 98927175. Here 9892 9892 927175. Okay, 75. Then mobile number put in front of mobile number column. So here we put the figure, here mobile number 9892927175. Okay, 9892927175. Then email address. So email address also provided here, that is Nitin Tipale. Okay, Nitin Tipale. So put this email ID in email ID column, that is here. Okay, Nitin Tipale email, Nitin Tipale 78@rediffmail.com. Okay, so here we write the email ID of SAC. Then next address. So address is also given. Okay, address is also given. So here we put the address, we fill the address of SAC. Okay, so address is given, that is at post Kari, so here at post Kari Tel and Dist Satara, pin code number 415013. Okay, then tick mark on appropriate box. So here we fill income tax on or before due date. Okay, so here we put tick mark on appropriate box, that is first box. So here we make a read to the column, okay, that is on or before due date, okay. Then next, nature of employment. So the SSE is worked in private sector, so here we make a read to other employee, okay, okay. Okay, then next, if government employee, we tick mark on the box of government employee, tick mark of the state government employee, tick mark in public sector undertakings, tick mark in pension, tick mark in other, not applicable, okay. So here the SSE is worked in private sector, so we make a read to other employee, because here we cannot right click on the respective box. Got it? So we read this respective box, that is SSE is other employee, that is private sector employee. Then here field row is 109, then it is nil, okay, nil nil nil. Then next information, that is part B, okay. So here part B is start, so salary or information of salary is given, information of salary is given, that is here. Information of salary is given, then here we fill a income from salary, so here we compute a income from salary, okay. How we compute? So basic salary is given rupees 10,000 per month, so we compute it as 10,000 per month multiplied by 12, because we convert this monthly basic pay into yearly basic pay, is equal to 1,20,000. Then here we compute a salary, gross salary, then bonus, so we directly add bonus here, add bonus, bonus is equal to 10,000 per annum, 10,000. Then DA is equal to 2,000 per month, so here 2,000 multiplied by 12, we get is equal to 24,000 Then next one is transport allowance 1,800, so transport allowance fully taxable and it is included in the salary, 1,800 multiplied by 12 is equal to 21,600 21,600. Then medical allowance 16,000 per annum, 16,000 per annum, 16,000 per annum. It means a medical allowance for a year, okay, for a year 16,000. Then next one is city compensatory allowance. So city compensatory allowance is 1,500 per month. Okay, PM means per month. 1,500 multiplied by 12 is equal to 18,000 is equal to 18,000. Okay, 18,000. Then washing allowance, then washing allowance 500 per month, washing allowance 500 per month. So here 500 multiplied by 12 is equal to 6,000 is equal to 6,000. Okay, is equal to 6,000. Here we taken into consideration all the salary, or salary includes all these basic pay plus bonus plus DA plus all taxable allowances is considered as a salary. So make the total of these figures. Okay, this figure, that is 1,20,000. Okay, we get a gross salary 1,20,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 24,000 plus 24,000 plus 21,600 plus 16,000 plus 18,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000. Okay, so here we get a salary. Okay, so here gross salary is equal to 1,97,600. Got it? How to compute gross salary? So gross salary includes basic pay, bonus, DA, transport allowance. It means all taxable allowances. Okay, now we find out a gross salary. Okay, so in ITR 1 part B, gross salary, we are find out here. Put the figure in front of gross salary. Okay, in front of gross salary. So here 1,97,600 is the gross salary. Then here salary as per section value of perquisite. Okay, so here salary, gross salary we find out, that is 1,97,600. okay, 1,97,600 is the salary as per section 1 17 subsection 1. okay, now value of perquisites, so perquisite is not given. okay, it means the facility provided by the employer to the employee is called a perquisite. So perquisite is not given, so nil. Then lieu, profit in lieu of salary is not given, then nil. Nil. okay, nil, nil. Now we make the total, and total is 1,97,600. We put this total in front of gross salary here. In front of gross salary, 1A, 1B, 1C is the total of gross salary. Then less allowances to the exempt, extend to the exempt under section 10. So allowances to the extent of exemption is not given. So here nil. Here nil. okay, exempted allowance is not given, so in front of less allowances to the exempt, nil. Then net salary, so net salary is remains same, that is 1,97,600. okay, 1,97,600 remains same. okay, then deduction under section 16. So we already did discuss the deduction under section 16. Standard deduction, that is amounted to rupees 50,000. Amounted to rupees 50,000 is standard deduction, 50,000. Then entertainment allowance. So entertainment allowance is allow for deduction only for government employee. Here Mr. Nitin is a private sector employee, so it is nil. Then professional tax, so professional tax is given in the problem. Professional tax paid by the assessee is given. So here professional tax 2,500. okay, 2,500. So we taken into consideration the 2,500 in deduction, that is here 2,500. okay, 2,500. Now make the total of deduction, and the deduction is 52,000. So put the figure in deduction, okay, here in this column. okay, that is 52,000, 52,000, 52,500. Deduct 52,500 from net salary. Here 52,000 is deducted from net salary, that is 1,97,000. 1,97,000 minus 52,500. Here we get a net salary. Here, sorry, it is not a net salary. Now we get a net salary. Net salary is equal to, sorry, here deduction. Now we get a net salary or income chargeable under head of salaries. okay, so here deduct 52,500 from 1,97,600. we get a income chargeable under head salaries. Okay, fifth point in B1 part. Okay, here. Okay, so here the amount is 1 lakh 45,000. Here 1,45,100 is the income chargeable to the tax. Got it? So here we fill the information relating to the salary income. Okay, salary income, salary income. Okay, now we get a income chargeable under the head salary amounted to rupees 1,45,100. Now next part is, that is B2. Okay, part B, we completed part B, B1. Now we fill the part B, B2. Okay, so here tick mark to the appropriate house property. So income from house property is given, that is details of house property is given in the problem. Okay, so here details of house property 11 point, that is let out property. So here we take into consideration that the property is let out property. So tick mark to the appropriate box. So here let out property is given. We make a red to the let out property. Okay, it means we tick mark in the box of let out property. Got it? Then next one is gross rent received during the year. So gross rent received or gross annual value is given. Okay, so here gross annual value is rupees 1 lakh. Got it? So 1 lakh is the gross annual value. Okay, gross annual value from HP, gross annual value from house property. So put the figure in front of gross annual value. Here gross annual value, that is first gross annual value is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. Okay, then we deduct municipal tax. So here municipal tax is given. Okay, municipal tax paid is given in the details. Okay, so here municipal tax is paid by the assessee is rupees 5,000, is rupees 5,000. Okay, 5,000. So here deduct 5,000, here put 5,000, 5,000. Got it? Got it? Then deduct this 5,000 from 1 lakh rupees. Okay, here we deduct this municipal tax from rupees 1 lakh because municipal tax is paid by the assessee. So we deduct municipal tax from rent received. Okay, so here 1 lakh minus 5,000, we get 95,000. We get 95,000 is the annual value. 95,000 is the annual value. Okay, 95,000 is the annual value. Now we compute 30% on annual value. So here 95,000 multiplied by 30%, that is 28,500. Okay, 28,500. Then interest, so interest is not given, so interest on borrowing of loan is nil. Okay, then next unrealized rent receivable nil. Okay, unrealized rent receivable is nil. Okay, nil. Got it? Make the total of this deduction. So total is 28,500. Now we deduct this 28,000 from annual value. Okay, 28,000 is deducted from annual value of house property. So annual value is 95,000. Got it? Annual value is 95,000. Deduct 28,000 from 95,000. 28,500 is deducted from 95,000. We get a income chargeable under head of house property amounted to rupees 66,000. Okay, 66,500 is the income chargeable under house property. Okay, then next B3 is given. B3 is relating to the other income. So other income is also given here. Other income received by assessee rupees 1,20,000. Got it? So 1,20,000 is the income from other source. So here income from other source is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Got it? 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Then less deduction under section 57 in case of family pension. If the income earned by assessee from family pension, then he get a deduction. So here in this column we write it as a nil, because this column is nil, no deduction, because income earned from salary and house property. Mr. Nitin has not earned income from pension. Then make a total, that is B1. B1 total is 1,45,100. 1,45,100 plus B2 66,500 plus B3 1,20,000. 1,20,000. We get 3 lakh. We get 3,31,600. 3,31,600 is called gross total income. It is called a gross total income. Got it? Here we get a gross total income of the assessee Mr. Nitin Tipale. Now we start to solve part C, that is deduction. So in our problem, let's see which deduction is given here. Okay, so we taken into consideration all the things here: salary details, Aadhar card, nature of employment, that is first part, that is general part of general information we taken into consideration. Then salary is also taken into consideration, house property is also taken into consideration, other income is also taken into consideration. But here this 13 and 14 point is not taken into consideration, which is relating to the LIC policy 50,000 and donation given to temple. So LIC, it means it is a contribution of assessee contribution of assessee is deducted under section 80C. Okay, so it is a contribution of that SAC under section 80C. Okay, so it is allowed to deduct from the gross total income, and it is a donation is allowed to deduct under section 80G 50% donation. Why 50% donation is allowed for deduction? Because we already studied these sections in our earlier lecture, that is 80G is relating to the donation, and 50% of donation is deducted in case of donation is given to temple, donation is given to any educational institution, donation is given to orphanage. Okay, so 50% donation is allowed for deduction. If donation is given to Prime Minister Drought Relief Fund, then 100% donation is allowed for deduction. Then donation is given to Prime Minister Tsunami Fund, 100% donation is allowed for deduction. So we already discussed the examples of donation under section 80G. So here we get a 50% deduction, that is 5,000 divided by 2. It means 2,500 is deducted from the gross total income. Okay, so here we get a deduction under section 80C and 80G. Here 80C, 80C is deduction, that is amounted to rupees 50,000. Okay, we taken into consideration that the 50,000, because LIC premium or some assured is not given, so all amount is allowed for deduction. Then here 80CC in amounting column nil, here nil, nil. Okay, next nil, it means dash, 80D nil, 80DD nil, 80E nil, 80EE nil, then 80EEA nil, 80EEB nil. Here donation, okay, so here we get a deduction, that is amounted to rupees 2,500, amounted to rupees 2,500. 50% donation is allowed for deduction, 2,500. Got it? 50%, because the donation is given to a temple, then 50%, 80G nil, then nil, nil, 80TTA nil, nil, 80U nil. Okay, then make a total of all the deductions, that is 50,000 plus 52,000. Here only two deduction is given, that is 50,000 and 2,500. Okay, so make the total is 52,500. Got it? 52,500 is the total. Now compute a total income. How to compute total income? So total income is equal to before, here before minus C1. So 3,31,000, 3,31,600 minus 52,500. We get a total income, that is 2,79,100. 2,79,100. Got it? 2,71,900 is the total income. Got it? is the total income of the assessee. Okay, then next part is computation of tax payable. Okay, now we compute a tax payable. Okay, so remember the slab rates. Okay, so first of all we discuss the slab rates. Okay, so here we compute a tax on total income. Okay, compute a tax on total income, that is total income 2,79,100. So here tax slab is applicable. So tax slab is for individual, that is up to 2,50,000 tax is nil. 2 lakh to 5 lakh, 2,50,000 1 to 5 lakh, the tax rate is 5%. Okay, then 5 lakh 1 to 5 lakh 1 to 10 lakh rupee, that is rate of income tax is 20%, and income above 10 lakh then 30%. Okay, income tax rate. So again we here write down the slab rates. Okay, so here slab rate, and according to this slab rate first is, that is income up to rupees, income up to rupees 2,50,000, then tax is nil. Okay, okay, tax rate is nil. Income, second slab, that is rupees 2,50,000 1 to 5 lakh, that is 5%. Third, rupees 5 lakh 1 to rupees 10 lakh, %, and fourth one is above rupees 10 lakh, 30%, 30%. So this is the slab rate, and according to this slab rate we compute a tax on total income. Okay, so here first slab and total income of the assessee. So here we compute directly tax total income of assessee, that is 2,79,100. Now we compute a tax. So here income up to, first slab, income up to 2,50,000, here income, next one is tax rupees. Okay, so income up to 2,50,000, then it is nil. Then next, so here remaining balance is 2,79,100 minus 50,000. So here remaining balance is into bracket, we here into bracket here remaining balance is 2,50,000 is deducted from total income. Okay, so 2,79,100 minus 2,50,000, we get 29,000 is the balance. 29,100 is the balance. So compute a 29,100 into 5%. Compute on 29,100. So multiplied by 5 divided by 100. Got it? So here tax is equal to 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 29,100 is equal to 1,450. Okay, 1,450 is the tax payable. Okay, then put the tax in tax payable, that is here amounted to rupees 1,455. Okay, then rebate is already given, that is amount of a tax free amount is considered as rebate. Then rebate, tax after rebate 1,450, 1,455, 1,455. Okay, then 4% cess on tax after rebate, that is 58.2, it means 58.2, it means 52. Okay, so add this 52 in 1,455, we get a total tax and cess amounted to rupees 1,513. 1,513 is the total tax and cess. Okay, then relief. Okay, so here tax is, we write a figure in wrong column, so here total tax and cess 1,513. Then relief is not applicable to this SSC, so nil. Okay, so here we get nil, then interest dash nil dash, then fees dash, it means nil, then nil, here nil. Now here total tax, fee and interest amounted to rupees 1,513. 1 lakh, not 1,513, sorry, extremely sorry, 1,513. Okay, 1,513 is the tax. Okay, then here total tax paid by the SSC. So tax paid by the SSC is given, amounted to rupees 60,000. So SSC has paid a tax amounted to rupees 60,000. So put this figure in tax paid column. Okay, so here 60,000 is the tax paid by the SSE. 60,000 tax paid. So here total tax is 1,513 and tax paid by the SSE is rupees 60,000. It means tax is refundable to the SSE. So amount payable is nil. Amount payable is nil because the SSE has paid a excess tax. Okay, actual tax is rupees 1,500. So refund amounted rupees, deduct a tax from 60,000. Okay, so here 60,000 minus 1,513, here we get a refund of tax amounted rupees 58,487 is the refund of tax to the SAC. Got it? How to compute a tax on the total income. Okay, so here we compute a refund amounted rupees 58,487. If here tax is not paid by the SSC and the tax paid is nil, then we tax payable amounted rupees 1,530. Got it? Here SSC paid excess tax. Okay, tax liability for the assessment year 2020-21 is 1,513 and SSC paid a tax 60,000. So here the SSC will get a refund of rupees 58,487. Now we fill the bank details, and bank details is also given in the problem. Okay, so here bank details, that is name of bank and bank account number. Name of bank and bank account number, that is Maharashtra Bank, IFSC code MAHA 5x031. So here fill the bank details. IFSC code, that is capital MAHA 5x032. Okay, 32 is the IFSC code. Then next one is 31 is the IFSC code. 31 is the IFSC code. 31. Then next column is name of the bank. So name of the bank, we already know that the name of the bank is Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. BOM, short form Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, Bank of Maharashtra. Then next, account number. Account number is also given. BOM means Bank of Maharashtra. Account number is 6003453 600 600 600 3453 3453 3453. Then next 3453 9859 9859 9898 9853 is the bank account number. Okay, bank account number. Select bank. So select bank is Maharashtra Bank. So here we write the name of the bank. So here Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, that is Bank of Maharashtra, or BOM, short form Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra. Then next, IT schedule is nil, DI schedule is nil. Now here verification, that is I Nitin. So here we write the name in different color. Okay, so here we write a name in different color for your understanding. Okay, I Nitin Madhukar Tipale. Nitin M Tipale, son of, so daughter dash, okay, daughter erased, daughter, son of Madhukar, son of Madhukar R Tipale. Okay, Madhukar R Tipale. Okay, then next मधुकर तिपाले Verification. I, Nitin M. Tipale, son of Madhukar Tipale, solemnly declare that, to the best of my knowledge and belief, the information given in the return is correct and complete and in the accordance with the provision of Income Tax Act 1961. I further declare that I am making this return in my capacity as self 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 here capacity as a self, and I am also competent to make this return and verify it. I am holding permanent account number, so put here PAN card number, and PAN card number is NEET PT 3329R. Okay, then date of filing ITR, so date is 20 March. Okay, or the previous year date, that is 20 March 2019. Then signature Nitin M. Tipale. NTM means Nitin Tipale. Okay, so here signature of the SSC. Okay, so here we sign as NTM Nitin Tipale. Got it? So here we fill the form. Okay, got it? It is very easy to file an income tax return. Okay, fill appropriate income tax return, that is name ऑफ SSC. बघा यामध्ये मग काय काय बघितलं आपण की पार्ट ए भरला त्याची जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन. पार्ट बी मध्ये तीन प्रकार आहेत, तीन पार्ट आहेत. पार्ट बी इज further divided into three parts, that is B1, B2, B3. B1 is the relating to the income from salary, B2 is relating to the income from house property not more than one, and B3 is relating to the income from other source. Okay, then we make a total of these three heads, we get a total or gross total income. Okay, that is 3,31,600. Then next part, that is part C, is start after computing the gross total income. Start a part C, that is deduction under section ATC applicable, or deduction under section ATC to ATU applicable to individuals under chapter 6A. Okay, under chapter 6A. So here only two deduction is given in respect of ATC and ATG. we get this deduction, then we get a total income, that is C2. Okay, in part C, C2 is computed, that is 2,79,100. Then then we compute a tax on the total income. So tax on total income is computed as per the applicable slab rates of the individual. So here we also discuss the slab rate. So tax on total income is rupees 1455. Then rebate is rebate means it is a tax free income. Okay, so 2,50,000. Then tax after rebate 1,455. Then we add a 4% health and education sales on tax, that is 4% on 1,455, amounted rupees 52. Then we get a D5, that is total tax and cess 1,513. Then D6 relief is not given, then nil. Then interest nil, interest nil, then interest nil, then fees nil. Then D11 is the total tax, fee and interest is rupees 1,513. Then tax paid by the SEC. So during the year the SEC has paid a 60,000 of tax. Okay, so here he paid a excess tax, and his tax liability is not equal to 60,000 or not more than 60,000. It means he paid a excess tax, so amount payable by SEC is nil. Okay, so he did not pay a tax in assessment year because he paid a more tax in that year. So income tax office will get a refund to that SEC because tax liability of that SEC is 1,513. Then the income tax is deducted only tax liability, that is 1,513, from tax paid by the SEC, that is 60,000, and remaining balance is refunded to the respective SEC. So here the income tax has give a refund of amounted to rupees 58,487 to the Mr. Nitin Tipale. Okay, then part E is start after computing the tax payable or refund of tax. We start a next part, or in this form start a next part, that is part E, which is relating to the other informations relating to the bank information, then IFSC code, then bank name, then account number, then bank selected for refund of tax. Then next one is a schedule IT details, that is tax deducted at source and assessment payments. Okay, TDS is called. Then DI, schedule DI, investment related, so all are nil. Then we verify the information here. I am Mr. Nitin Tipale, son of Madhukar Tipale, solemnly declare that to the best of my knowledge and belief the information given in the written incorrect and complete and in accordance with the provision of Income Tax Act 1961. Okay, and the return is in capacity of self means the SEC. And next one is the PAN card number of the SEC, then a date, and then signature. So here we complete the all process of filing a income tax return with an example. Okay, in our next lecture we are solve, or we are file a income tax return first with another example. Okay, so here thank you very much.